Hi guys, am I audible, visible? Am I audible, visible? I believe yes. Guys, am I audible and visible to everybody? Am I audible and visible to everybody? Okay, so welcome to Unacademy NEET English, guys. I hope I'm perfectly audible, visible. So let's start the session, and it is the orientation session for, yes, so it is the orientation session for your Phoenix 3.0 batch that we are going to start from, right, 30th of June. Yes, and the first chapter that we are going to start in that particular batch is cell cycle and cell division. So first of all, everybody, do let me know, am I perfectly audible and visible? Am I perfectly audible and visible? Do let me know. Okay, welcome to the session, everybody. Welcome to the session. So yeah, this is the orientation session for your Phoenix 3.0 batch that is going to start from 30th of June. And as I said, the first chapter is cell cycle and cell division. So here in this particular session, I'll clear all your doubts regarding the batch, regarding the timing, regarding whether the classes will be on the smart board or not. And you know that if you're watching my lecture, then I am going to tell you everything honestly, and whatever I am going to promise, that I will fulfill. Okay, so let's get started. So you tell me, guys, what sort of doubts you have, right, regarding the timing or anything. Whatever doubts you people have, just share it with me, and accordingly we will proceed. We'll proceed. Yes. So quickly type any doubt regarding preparation, regarding anything. Yes. Any doubt regarding preparation, regarding timings, class timing? So beta, biology class timing, right? You guys are going to get biology class at 7 p.m. in the evening. Okay, in the evening you guys are going to get the biology class. Your physics class is in the morning, right? Early morning, right? Because your neurons at that time, that will be your first class of the day, and you know that this is the subject which needs your attention, and you are going to start your day with the physics, and after that there will be a break. After that break there will be HSP sir's session for the chemistry, right? HSP sir's session for the chemistry will be there, right, students? And in the evening me and Wasim sir will take the session. So you will have one physics class and chemistry class in the morning, then there will be a break, and then evening from 7 to 11 me and Wasim sir is going to take your classes. Yes, me and Wasim sir is going to take your classes. Okay, so this is about the class timing. Now, if I talk about the session flow, you know that I always mention this thing that we have to read the chapters in a flow. Matlab in a proper flow, when we read the chapters, then the things are quite easy for us. Then things are quite easy to understand as well. Now, here we are going to start with the cell cycle and cell division in the Phoenix 3.0 batch, right? Because in the Phoenix 2.0, we have started with what? We have started with the cell chapter. So in your case, you will get the lectures of cell again, not the recorded one. I'll take the live classes, and I'll take the live classes once we start the Phoenix 3.0 batch, like after having the classes for, after having 4 to 5 classes of cell and cell cycle and division, I'll keep 2 classes for you so that we can complete the cell as well, right? So cell and cell cycle, and here in this chapter I will start with the nucleus part, right? We'll firstly give you the introduction of nucleus, right? We'll tell you what is there in the nucleus, right, about the chromatin and everything, and then we will go for the division. So you know that tomorrow, that is 30th June, tomorrow at 7 p.m. Tomorrow at 7 p.m. you know it very well, we have a first live class, right? We have first live class on YouTube, and that too for free, so you guys can watch this lecture there. Okay, you can watch this lecture there. So see, I will start from the 30th June. One student is saying, can we join for 1st of July? It's your call. But I will start from 30th of June, and first live class will be free on YouTube only. Okay. So firstly, we will complete the cell biology, right? After the completing the cell biology, we are going to start with the human physiology. We will start with the structural organization in animal first. Then we will target the human physiology, and then we will go for the plant physiology. And at the end, we will pick up the diverse diversity part. Okay, so diversity may, these are the memory based chapters, right? I'll explain it, I'll tell you. And in the diversity there are things that we have to just cram, okay, like examples and all. And trust me, I'm going to simplify that for you as well. So here, this is about the details of the lecture. And now if you ask me, the classes will be on the smart board or not, guys, already we have started the classes on smart board, right? But because we have just started, so some students, those who were facing the glitch, right, we have noted all the problems from the students, that if there is any glitch, if in iOS they are having some different issue, in Android they are having different issue, so we have rectified all that problems as well, right? So team is working on that. They are working day and night so that they can make product better and better and better for all of you. So classes will be on the smart board, my class will be on the smart board, and tomorrow, right, day after tomorrow, the class will be at 7 p.m. and that will, as I said, will be on smart board. Let's say if I'm traveling or something like that, then might be you will see the pen tab mode rarely. That there are chances are very less, but yeah, the classes will be on the smart board. Okay, now if you ask me what about the content, what about the thing, of course we have to clarify our NCERT. First target is NCERT for the biology. We have to understand biology from the NCERT first. And it's not like that. It's literally not like that. Ki last time, ma'am, paper was, bit hard. So paper was not from the NCERT. Paper was from the NCERT, but direct questions were not there. So here in the classes, I'll teach you how to, right? I'll teach you that how to cater the question. That is my first thing. I have seen many students, those who understand the concept, but when it comes to answering the questions, they are not good at it, right? They are literally not good at it. They think they know a lot, but they don't know how to present it. So here in my classes, my main thing is to teach you how to get good marks, of course. That is so obviously my job, but how to reduce negative marking, how to get effective results in test from day one. So this is something that I'm going to teach you. Matlab, subject to I'm teaching from last many years. There is no problem in that. Right? I'll provide you the content. Are we just going to translate the NCERT? No, we are going to decode the NCERT. And when it comes to decoding the NCERT, so whatever extra even we need to discuss now, we will discuss it. But it will be there in the boundaries of NCERT only. It will be there in the boundaries of NCERT only. So that is the point, right? That is the point that you guys have to take care. Okay. And as I said, my main focus is to teach you how to tackle the question, how to give the correct answer, because this is what I have seen, that students, when somebody asks them, they know, in this topic, we have this, we have that, we have this, we have that. But when it comes to attempting it, they just made the mistakes. So from day one, we are going to do it. So do we have in-class question practice? Yeah, we do have in-class question practice, right? But yes, as I said, I always mention this thing. It's not like that every day I take the question practice. If, let's suppose, if my session is lengthy, if I know I have to finish a topic, that day I don't prefer question practice. But whatever I'm going to teach you today, next day I'm going to ask the questions from that, right? So that I'll be able to see about your attention. And trust me, Phoenix 2.0 is performing well, right? I'm not saying that they are performing extraordinarily. No, they are performing well in the classes as of now. And today they have their first test. We analyze their tests as well. And accordingly, right, we will tell them that where are they making the mistake? How can they improve, right? So we are totally into the result of our batch. Totally into the result of our batch. Okay. Okay, so in-class question practice, in-class doubt solving, and this time in-class notes making is also there. I'm not doing this, I'm writing it and I'm telling students, you write it down after the class. No, you have to write it with me only, right? You have to write it with me only, because I have seen that later on students, they don't write, they don't revise, they don't prefer that topic. They think they have the PDFs, and trust me, when you will complete your syllabus, you will not be able to see these PDFs. You have to make your handwritten notes, right? You don't have any other option for that. So these are the things that we are going to take care here in this particular batch this time. So this is all about the things that I am going to do. As I said, AIMS question practice, right? High level question practice, but we have to start from the basics. So basics, then we will have level 1 DPP, level 2 DPP. That is how we are going to practice the questions. And notes, as I said, in class itself, I am going to make it. So you don't need any extra module. But if you go for the iconic subscription, right, you are going to get the modules from Unacademy only. And in that modules, beta, not just the content, but MCQs are also given. here, right? All the PYQs, all the updated MCQs, everything you guys are going to get here in the modules as well. So if you have joined the batch, most welcome. If not, then please go for it, because till 30th of June, this is the offer that you guys are going to get. So 44499 is for the plus. And when I'm saying plus, in the plus, you will get everything. You will get everything. You will have the access of all the batches, all the tests that are running across Unacademy platform in NEET UG category. In NEET UG category, NEET UG category, whatever is the, right, whatever batches are going on, you have the access of that. And in Iconic, what is the speciality? In Iconic, the speciality is you will get the hard copy of the material, you will get the recordings from the offline centers as well, and you can go to any offline center, and there you can also start your test series, okay, without paying anything extra. So in this price, you are getting everything. You are getting the access of all the batches, you are getting all the PDFs, you are getting the hard copy of the content. You people are getting everything if you go for this. So what you have to do, right, what you have to do, you just need to do one thing. You can just see the video, this description box of this video. Here in the description box of this video, you people can see the link, right? So you can go for plus, or you can go for Iconic, right? If you think I will only go for the batch, I don't need the access of all the batches, that's fine. But main thing is, like, if you go for the plus, if let's suppose if in one class you guys are having issue, like let's suppose you want to, though you are not going to do it because that team is amazing, but if you still feel like that I want to see some other batch, right, this thing is going on there, I want to have the access of that, you will get it. You will get it in that, okay, right? So that is what you have to take care. So
I'm having trouble hearing you.
Okay. So this is what you guys need to take care. Okay. So here in the description box, there is a link. You guys can click on that, right? The coupon code is already applied. You can pay for the batch and you can start your preparation, right, students? So here I'm showing you this thing. Just have a look. See, so tomorrow at 7 p.m., I am going to take your session live. Tomorrow at 7 p.m., I'm going to take your session live. So the first class of Phoenix 3.0 batch, that is cell cycle and cell division, will be on YouTube, right? So everybody can access it. Done. And if you ask me about the session duration will be for, as of now, it's going 105 minutes. 1.3 hour, 1.5 hour to 2 hours. It will be in between that. But from this week only, right, what will I do? I will start taking your 2 classes, okay, for botany and for zoology as well, so that you can parallelly cover that, right? So these classes ka duration will be for 2 hours. The duration will be for 2 hours, but the point is, right, if I will start taking 2 classes a day, then it will be 1.5 hour, 1.5 hour. So there is no problem in that. And you are getting a very good gap in between. Right, very good gap in between, like morning physics and chemistry classes, then there is a gap, evening chemistry and biology classes again. So you will have the time for the self-study, you will get the time for the revision. So this is it. This is it. Now, if you are saying class 12 students, yeah, they can go for it. But yeah, initially I'll go for the 11th, right? Initially I'll go for the 11th syllabus. So you can enroll yourself, class 12 students, you can enroll yourself in class, in plus subscription, and you can access my Nexus batch, especially for the class 12th, where I have started the 12th syllabus first. Currently, we are doing reproductive health there. So any other doubt, guys? Any other doubt? So see you all tomorrow. So firstly, hit the like button, right? Hit the like button here. I want to see you all tomorrow, right? Tomorrow at 7 p.m. for this first class, right? First free class, that is cell cycle and cell division, okay? Syllabus, Jyoti, syllabus will go till month of January, right? I am taking, this time I'm taking 20th January, right? By 20th January, I'll be able to finish it. If you want to hear, ma'am, no, finish the syllabus by 31st December, yeah, I can do that. There is no problem in that. There is literally no problem in that as well. But here this time, in class, notes making, in class, doubt solving, in class, MCQ practice is going on, right? In class itself, MCQ practice is going on. So of course, it is going to take some time then, because my agenda is not to complete your syllabus only. I want you people to grab that. I want you people to retain that. I want you people to learn that it is not just the preparation. It is also the way you attempt your paper, your strategy, everything matters. Okay. So that is why we are going like that. Okay. Done? Anything else? Anything else where I can help you? So this is all about the orientation session. So I want to see you all tomorrow, and you know how to enroll in batch. So if you are enrolled, then good. If not, then go for this batch, right? Go for this batch. So take care, guys. Thank you so much. And if you ask me about the YouTube series, we are planning it, but of course, right now we are only focused on our batches. We'll plan it soon. So till then, take care. Bye bye. Thank you so much, everybody. So see you all tomorrow at 7 p.m.